Hello everyone, we are Team Sharks, and the problem we thought to focus on is issues related to transportation in everyday life. First, traffic. Let's not get me started on traffic. I might get stuck there for a while, pun literally intended. And then, cost of transportation, whether you own a vehicle or not, has gone sky high. And also there is the safety risks related to women traveling in taxis, especially in night times and alone. So we thought of coming up with a solution, a potential solution for this, and came up with ShareCab. This is a taxi hailing service where you can hail cabs just like in Uber or Pygmy, but whatever I say here after this point is something that differentiates us from Uber and Pygmy. Okay, so what we do is the passengers in our app can share free spaces inside the car with other passengers. So we believe in that manner we can reduce cost of transportation, which is already high even in Pygmy or Uber or any mode of transportation. Okay, so that's one thing. The other thing is, rather than two people using two vehicles to transport themselves from one place to another, using one instead by sharing can reduce traffic. Another thing, okay, our approach to this is basically, let's say person A hails a cab and he chooses to have a shared ride. B, given that he is within 2 kilometer radius from the route which A is taking his travel or ride, B can join this ride. But what happens here is, the speciality of this is, B and A actually have a choice whether they want, or let's say when B hails the cab and wants to join, A can actually see who is hailing, whether it's a male or a female, and whether she wants this person to join in this cab. So this enables females, especially in night times going alone, to share a cab with another woman, which might reduce the risk of traveling alone in taxis. That's one thing. And also, moving on to the technology we have used, this is basically a mean stack. These are the technologies we are using. Moving on to the APIs, we are using hSenid mobile APIs, which are for subscription. We use the subscription APIs for registering with the application, and SMS for OTPs and arrival of the vehicle or driver. SMSs will be sent, and cash is for, since we have cash and credit card or debit card payments involved, and also this is based on location, so anyway we have to have the location-based service APIs. And moving on to the revenue model, this is quite interesting. The app is free, registration is free, and we are not going to charge as much as Uber or Pygmy is charging from their drivers. We are going to go with a very, very low cut from drivers' end, which is basically like 5% per drive. Why? Because we are focusing on this earning around the consumer concept, where we won't be charging the consumer, we'll be keeping the consumer at the core and charge or earn around them in a completely transparent and a legal manner. What happens here is, let's say if we have 1,000 vehicles in our application, 1,000 drivers in our application, that means we have 1,000 vehicles. Taking 1,000 vehicles to an insurance service provider, if our drivers insure with you, how much of the discount would you give them? Let's say 20%. That's like for 50%, 50,000 rupee insurance premium, that's like 10,000 rupee discount for the driver. And for connecting both of them, we can get a, let's say 5% commission out of it. That's 2,500 rupees per driver just using our app to get this insurance premium discount. Imagine 1,000 people doing that. That's 2.5 million per year. Imagine 10,000 people doing that. That's 25 million per year. Imagine how many vehicle-related services are there and what is the potential of this. Even we can apply this for the passenger side as well, but not to earn money, but to gain them and retain them, maybe offering discounts in restaurants and movies or leisure times or anything that is related with passengers also. Okay, then we move on to the demonstration of our application on Android. This is basically the sign-in page. And then, yes, there's the SMS coming in, and then we submit the code, phone number going in, and you can put the pickup location, drop location, and then You can choose whether you want a private drive or a shared drive and how many seats you want. You will get notified what are the rights that are there that you can use or you can share with some other person. What are the seats available also mentioned here. And you can see the profile of the person who is in there, whether it's a male or female, not so much details, just the basic details will be given and the rate and the time, and then you can rate the driver and the person whom you travel with, so that in future, if he's a bad person or something, someone else might know.
Okay.